Make sure they will see. Okro, man. So we done with our Akple, no, chaka Akple with Okro, Fetri Ademi. Man, my forward Financasa. You see this? Amazing. Thank you.
Do you need something else?
No, I'm fine. Yeah, enough. Wow. Man, this is Madam Angelica's kitchen.
Good to appetit.
Grazie. Hello, brothers, sisters. You're Okro. So I'm in Cape Coast, Akple, because one of my top fans invited me to come over and try her hometown recipe. So my prison donation I did 2 years ago actually happened after visiting her because she stays around the prison yard, which is Akple prison. Over here is the Akple town, and all these buildings you see over here is for the prisoners, the officers. So we'll lock up and now about that and she was the one that also cooked for the prisoners because she is a caterer. So if you haven't seen that video, the link of the video will be in the description box. Check it out and have a feel for yourself. So my host is called Angelica, a full number 9, a old lady living on Fancy Land. And as you know, you can have a guess of the food that we're going to prepare today. Akple with Fetri TOTO, oilless okra soup. Man, you love it, Ankasa. With some, cocktail and some chichos. Man, let's do this. I hope you enjoyed the video. If this is the first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother, and share as well. Let's do this. Before we start the chichos, this, some cubes and some whiskeys and everything.
Margarita.
Okay, margarita. No pizza, right?
Pawpaw margarita.
Pawpaw, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So I use all the local stuff, Akple teshi, and then some homemade simple syrup.
Okay, so this is
homemade syrup, yeah.
So as I said, all your mixes. So this is a homemade syrup kind of, and this is no, this is not the ha. This is Akple. So this is local cocktail. Wow. Amazing. Okay. You see, as you feel, you know, I'll go back to Canapa. Okro. Now you see how I'm sweating. I can't wait to try this. As you say.
For the starter, I will put the chicken is already steamed
and
spiced, so I want to put it in the air fryer.
Air fryer, okay. So how did you steam with it? Like the marinade? How did you steam?
The marinade,
yeah.
Ginger, garlic, onions.
The basic.
I have a special mixed spices.
From yourself. Okay.
All that.
You sell also, right?
No, I don't.
You don't. Okay.
This is goat's meat and tripe.
Okay.
So I'm going to put that in the pan.
Okay. For the start. Okay.
So everything is washed over.
Okay.
And then I'm going to season with 1 cube.
Okay.
1 shrimp cube. I normally use shrimp powder, but I don't have it.
Okay, you
good. The cube instead.
Okay. So for how long have you been cooking?
My grandmother is a caterer.
Okay.
Was a caterer. My mother was a caterer.
Okay.
And then I picked from them.
Oh, okay.
So it's like a family thing. So I had to go back to school
to get a certificate for that.
Okay. Exactly.
Okay. So professionally, like.
Professionally since 2007.
Okay, it's been a while. So like 14, 15 years.
Yes, exactly.
Wow. One year is been for 14 years.
I'm going to add ginger.
Okay, so this is granite ginger.
Garlic, and onion.
3 in 1. Okay.
Yeah, this is already mixed. It's part of what I use
so
for
the stock.
chicken. So
okay.
It's not a chicken stock.
Okay.
But just
for the seasoning. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
So,
okay.
So that's the spice.
Okay. Okay.
I package it nicely, but I'm not selling.
You don't sell them. Why don't you sell them?
It's difficult to sell.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
The online thing is really not
your thing. Seasoning have been added to it, and the flavor coming out is incredible. Okay. Okay.
So we leave this to cook.
To cook, okay.
Yeah. This is the water for the okro.
For the okro. Okay, okay.
A little bit.
So this is the okro, chopped okro and onion, and we have ayoyo. Okay, ayoyo. Okay, so this is sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Oh, okay.
Yes. That's what I'm going to use
for the mash. No. Okay. How is this catering thing? Do you cook and make order, or you order for large programs like or bigger?
Yes, I mostly take contracts.
Contracts.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I take contracts for funerals or events.
Okay.
Conferences, workshops.
And is it only here in Cape Coast, or you do outside?
I do outside. I do travel depending on the transaction.
Oh, okay. Yes. Like the agreement.
Exactly.
Oh, okay. And you cook everything local.
Everything local.
From everywhere to
everything local.
Wow.
Internationally to if the client
yeah,
wants.
because she lived in Switzerland or Germany? Switzerland.
Germany.
But
I only do holidays
in Switzerland. Okay.
From there, yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. What's that?
The salted fish.
Okay, momoy. Okay. So the okra that you're about to boil, you have some what do you call it? Momoy?
Momoy, yeah.
To give the flavor.
Yes,
wow.
for flavor.
Amazing.
And water is in boiled, so I'll just add the okra.
So this is Ademi.
No, this is Fetri and Ademi.
Fetri and Ademi. So
yes,
two combination.
Two combination.
Wow.
I'm going to add Ademi to it.
Oh, okay. So Fetri and Ademi. Okay.
Yes.
So this is our goat meat and the tribe. The is called trepe.
Add
the Ademi. Okay.
This is jute leaves.
Okay, yeah, juice, yeah. Wow. Everything's been washed already,
Yeah,
so
everything is washed already.
don't worry about that. Wow. So the okra is now ready. And as I always say, always don't cook for long. Like, then the food is ready.
We have a soup called anyigbandechi. And that anyigbandechi is just like area fancy.
Okay.
So you put
everything inside.
Everything in the saucepan and just place on fire for a few minutes and
That's
it's
it.
ready.
So we have our potatoes over here.
So I'm going to add in butter.
Okay.
Just to mash it.
Okay, so this is the mashed potatoes, and this is how she's doing it. What's this?
Parsley.
Parsley. Oh, okay.
Parsley flakes.
Okay. Yeah, for the day. Mashed potatoes. Yeah. So it's done like that. So after mashing, yeah, we transfer everything inside this table served kind of dinner. Yeah, dinner bowl. Yeah, Okro. If you book her, she will do all these things for you for your weddings. Yeah. Amazing. So this is our cassava and the cassava dough and the corn flour being mixed together. Wow. Okay, so we're about to stir our chaka. What is it called? Chaka bangu.
Chaka is mixed.
Oh, okay.
The meaning of chaka is mixed. You mix the corn flour with the cassava dough.
Oh, okay.
And then leave it to ferment maybe for a day.
Oh,
then you
okay.
can prepare it, or for a few hours.
Oh,
then
okay.
You can prepare it.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Wow.
At this point, I'm going to add pepper.
Pepper
This
to
is blended habanero pepper.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Do you like hot? Do you eat hot?
Yeah, I'm pucheche.
Okro normally, if it's not
Hot.
hot,
On your
it's
day.
difficult to eat.
Okay. So make it how
somebody
you
who doesn't like pepper.
Okay, okay. Make it how you want it. So pepper has been added to the goat meat after being steamed for like 10-15 minutes.
I'm going to add in the smoked mackerel.
Okay. Wow. This is rich of French, Fetri and Ademi soup.
Yeah.
I keep saying one thing I love about this Ewe cooking or Ewe food is like the way the steps and the procedure, how they prepare is different from ours. Man, they don't add in the onion, pepper, like the basic kind of. They do it the opposite way. Like, it's different. I think those who recently joined, I posted one of my videos that I was cooking. I was like, hey, you cook also? I said I've been cooking before I changed my plan. So it's been like 10 minutes since we added our fish and the pepper, and we're about to add in the okra. So no tomato sauce, nothing. Wow.
No oil.
No oil. Yeah. Yeah, so scoop everything together nicely. So no oil, no tomatoes.
Very healthy.
Yeah, man. It is what it is.
Let it boil for a few minutes and that's it.
So this is the chicken and
That's the first batch. It's
okay.
well grilled.
Man, some vegetable today inside. Hey.
It goes with this, the potato.
Oh,
with the
okay.
chicken, yes.
Oh, okay. Bacon.
And then it's
Okay.
the local
Sausage. Okay.
where we use the
And some bell pepper and the onion. So
adding a little
some vegetable stir fry over here. Yeah. The bacon goes in first. Chew. So the sausage goes in.
sausage. I took the skin off.
Yeah.
I don't like it. When it's too, it's like
Rubber. Yeah, kind of.
I'll just add it. Now use the same.
Yeah, for the vegetables. So a bit of oil goes in again.
Much of it.
Man, this is correct chichos. Anyway, so this is the reason why you have to book her. Man. So if you want something for the weekend, just call her. Yeah, just call her and she'll cook something for you for the weekend. It's your for no, the single man, no. Man, there's some professional stuff over here. Wow. Okay, for yeah, okay, for the heat too.
Yes.
Yeah. So after covering it for like 10 minutes for it to boil with the water, you finally stir.
Particular Akple, you have to add hot water.
Hot water, okay.
Cold water, you spoil it.
Ah, really? Chaka Akple, no. Oh, okay.
You have to add
Hot water.
The water you are adding.
It's hot.
It's too hard. The water is hot.
Oh, okay. So after covering it for like 5 minutes, you see how soft it has become. As it goes inside like that. Hey, what in chichos? Lady, a fancy version. This is fancy version of a chichos. No, lady, I think what has a way. Yeah.
This is not from Val.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely not.
This is a fancy chichos.
As you go along the way, you need to improvise in certain things.
Exactly. So we have the fancy and the airway over there.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. So, man, Peche. Mamma mia. Okro. It is what it is. Yeah, Yahuwah. Mekra. They will see. So we're done with our Akple, Chaka Akple with Okro Fetri Ademi. Man. Maf what Finankasa. You see this? Amazing. Okro. Oshie.
Wait them.
Bad. Bad. Okro. Man, look at this, smooth.
Is the salt okay for you?
Amazing, Ankasa. Man, this is just fantastic. This is just one face of the food, yeah. Just one face of it. Okro. As I say, in Akple da. O first time in Akple. Oh, fine. In so and in a big difference though.
Difference on mine there.
Yeah, soft.
Oh yeah.
What's your hard? That means we D weapons in our hands, you know. Thank you, Madam Angelica.
You're welcome. Any day.
Self-service, you are.
Yeah, this one is self-service.
Okay, so
this is mashed sweet potato.
Okro, and it's self-service. Anyway, buffet. It's you know. Hey, okay, I'm trying to do. Okro, do I do?
You go ahead. If you can chew all.
No. Then it comes with the salad, cabbage, then the bell pepper, and
sausages,
and the bacon. Okay, so for the starts, no, they check also party. So it has the flavor of the butter, no. Wow. Man, it's when there imagine butter like that kind of
I brought it from Germany.
Okay.
But because butter is expensive in Ghana.
Wow. Man, there's some amazing stuff over here. So, some simple dinner, no? You can have this as your dinner. Wow. Wow. Man, it's perfect. Your friending, like how? What is it called?
The dish, unless you name it too.
I don't have a name for it.
No.
Adama.
Yes.
It's many dinner. Many.
Yeah.
And Okro. So hope you like this video. If this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a brother. Cooking with Sindaco. Make sure you share and subscribe. Okro. Let's do this again for Shizm and Nizzle.